One more time. What's up, guys? It's me, Trollex, Lucina, and Isabelle, and we're doing the Burping challenge. Alright, guys, this is a challenge where we all gather up and get cards, invisible cards, and we can read them and think about what kind of thing we should do. So we can rather burp loud, burp soft, or puke. Okay, so we're all gonna do one more time and see who sings it right. One more time. Okay, so one that's out of Lucina. Let's see what I got. One more time, dancing, feeling so free. We're gonna celebrate and dance so free. You're the one to know. One more time, we're gonna celebrate. Oh yeah, alright. You dancing, oh yeah. Alright, don't stop the dancing. Oh man, come on. I'm not doing it. Alright, I'll be doing a burp. Alright, who wants to do it? Me. Alright, Lucina. Okay. I want you to burp. There's a card, okay. You have a card. Okay. Wow. Can you burp loud? I'll try. Alright, who can sing Fire Emblem? But 3 times rightly, like French. Fire Emblem. I can't sing that. Fire Emblem. The Fire Emblem. The Fire Emblem. The Fire Emblem. You win, Isabelle. Yeah, you do. I'm so cute. I can't help looking at the camera. Yeah, I'm chilling in shades. Can you come in the camera? Okay. Seriously, I look cute. Okay, so now, okay, I'm gonna get some soda. Oh yeah, it's your turn, Trollex. Puke. Puke? No, I dare you to puke and burp. Oh, sorry. Ugh, disgust. I'm out. I'm not doing this challenge. I am not. This is excuse me. Okay, I'm out. Oh, gosh. Now get some romantic time with me. Yes, baby. You're gorgeous. All right, bye, guys.